Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought we would do something a little bit different. So as you probably know, I'm sure you have seen this cart and I use it for all of my hair stuff. However, I haven't really been using it to its full potential, so I thought it would be super awesome to kind of show you guys what I end up doing with this. I'm going to transition this into a planner cart, just so it's easier for me to find like my pens, my stickers, my notebooks, journals, whatever it may be. So if you would like to take part in this organization and see what we can come up with, then stay tuned. Really quickly, before I continue to go on, I did purchase these Easter baskets from the 99-cent store, and they're like a super pretty lavender color. I just thought it would be perfect to store some of my goodies, so I'm going to stick those in here. And I didn't really measure it out, so I don't know that it'll fit entirely. So kind of what we've got going on. I've cleared the cart, kind of situating how I'm going to want this. And I'm going to keep rearranging things until I find what I like. Alright guys, so I've completed kind of decorating this cart, and like I mentioned earlier, I wanted it to be like a planner cart, and you guys know how much I love pastel colors, so this is perfect. I am really happy with it. So right here I went ahead and hung a lot of my pom-pom keychains. These are meant to be donut keychains, and these are heart keychains. So I just hung them on the wire itself. The little bins from the 99-cent store, I went ahead and put some wallets. I actually use wallets for my stickers, so that's why they're here. I've got some really cute ones. I really like this one. Crazy Unicorn Lady. That's me. The fox, the llamas, and this is another unicorn one, so I keep those there. So I decided to put those up here, and then I have some markers, highlighters, and pens. Got some really cute Disney pens in here. In here I have some extra pom-pom keychains. And these bins are either from Dollar Tree or 99-cent store. I did get those a while ago though, and they've got little butterfly cutouts. And these ones I literally just got today from the 99-cent store because I wanted to do this video for you guys. Down here I have some items that I recently hauled from the Dollar Tree, like this unicorn and rainbow and star set of sticky notes. Most of these items I recently purchased, so I will include up above if you missed that Dollar Tree haul, but I found a lot of these items there. Here I've got little pencil bags and such. This one's really cute with the donuts and the cupcakes. This one's a little unicorn, so I put some little baggies there. Here I store a lot of my sequin. I actually did, I don't think I ever did a video on it, but I showed you the little wands with the Minnie Mouse, and I put glitter in them. So I just keep a lot of my glitter from Dollar Tree or wherever. So I just keep it in there. These are sandwich containers from Dollar Tree, and I just put like a Minnie Mouse sticker. This one's falling off already, so I'll have to replace that. And then in here I put just some extra little notebooks, some really cute ones, just so that I have them on hand and ready to access. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below if you liked it. I would love to hear your thoughts. I am super happy with it. I'm obsessed. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you're notified as to when I'm uploading videos. Also check out my Instagram over at sparkleonforever. Thank you again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.